company Boston Dynamics continues to actively test the new version of its robot named Atlas 2.0. Recently, the company's engineers shared new footage from the tests, demonstrating that the robot could be incredibly useful in industrial and construction sectors. The new robot is fully electric, with engineers removing all hydraulic components. According to company specialists, the second generation of Atlas robots has become even faster and more agile. Thanks to artificial intelligence, Atlas independently grasps, lifts, carries and places objects of various shapes, sizes and weights using its manipulators. For larger objects, the robot uses both hands to grab and transport them. This year, the robot is planned to be deployed at a factory of an undisclosed company, where it will replace part of the human workforce. We will continue to follow the development of Boston Dynamics' robotic humanoids. Recently, the largest global event in the field of mobile technologies and innovations called Mobile World Congress 2025 took place in Barcelona. This year, the exhibition attracted 109,000 visitors from 205 countries and territories, matching the attendance record of the year 2019. More than 2,900 exhibitors and sponsors showcased their latest developments and products. Over 1,000 startups participated in the 4 Years From Now program, providing a platform for innovative ideas and solutions. The key theme of the exhibition was artificial intelligence, which took center stage, demonstrating its impact on various aspects of daily life and business. For the first time, Talent Arena was introduced, attracting more than 20,000 visitors, highlighting the growing interest in talent development within the technology sector. The exhibition featured numerous advanced humanoid robots entertaining visitors. Particular attention was drawn to Chinese robots from companies such as Unitree, Agobot, and Xiaomi. Mobile World Congress 2025 reaffirmed its role as a leading platform for showcasing cutting-edge technologies and discussing key trends in the mobile communications industry. The special focus on artificial intelligence and its applications across various fields underscores its growing importance in our daily lives. The participation of numerous companies and professionals from around the world reflects the ongoing pursuit of innovation and global collaboration. Here is the new hyper-realistic, emotionally responsive robot from the Reina series, named Quihua. It is designed to replicate human interaction and emotional intelligence with the highest level of accuracy. With its ultra-realistic appearance, closely resembling a human, the robot makes communication more natural and intuitive. Quihua can express a wide range of emotions, enabling deeper and more empathetic interactions with users. Additionally, advanced artificial intelligence technologies allow it to analyze complex social cues and respond accordingly, making it highly adaptive in conversations. The robot not only engages in dialogue but also assesses the emotional state of its conversation partner, adjusting its responses based on the situation. The future is already here. NVIDIA has integrated its next-generation AI brain named Isaac GR00T N1 into the latest humanoid robot Neo Gamma, developed by the Norwegian startup 1X Technologies. The robot's primary purpose is to assist with household chores. Neo Gamma is equipped with a specialized controller that enables it to move with a natural human-like gait, including arm movements. It can squat to pick up objects from the floor, sit on a chair and maintain balance. The robot features an advanced visual manipulation system that allows it to grasp a variety of objects, even in unfamiliar environments. This capability is achieved through neural networks trained to predict actions based on raw sensor data. Thanks to its AI-powered brain, Neo Gamma can learn tasks at an accelerated rate and perform household chores with remarkable precision. It can organize dishes, vacuum floors, clean windows, brew tea, and much more. The robot also charges itself while sitting on a couch. It can not only speak but also use body language. Additionally, it has emotional ear rings, LED indicators that display its status and enhance communication. Mercedes-Benz has begun the process of mass deployment of humanoid robots at its factory in Berlin. The Marienfelde plant has been home to the Mercedes-Benz Digital Factory campus since the year 2022, a hub for the company's innovations. This is where new technologies are tested before being scaled to other facilities. Now Mercedes-Benz is upgrading this system by integrating humanoid robots named Apollo from the American company Apptronik into the production process for the first time. Unlike stationary industrial robots that perform repetitive tasks in a fixed location, Apollo can move freely across production areas and handle various types of tasks, accelerating manufacturing processes. The robots are already being tested in logistics, component transportation, and quality inspection. The use of augmented reality technologies and remote control enables training the robots to operate in real manufacturing environments. In the future, Apollo robots will work autonomously, marking a breakthrough in the implementation of flexible robotic systems. However, the Chinese are not lagging behind their American counterparts. The Chinese humanoid robot Unitree G1 has become the first in the world to master a side flip. Humanoid robots from the Chinese company Unitree have repeatedly made headlines. They can perform backflips, dance, crack nuts, and even toast bread. Today, with 23 degrees of freedom, G1 has set a new record by flawlessly executing a side flip from a standing position. Unitree continuously updates the robot's algorithms, enabling it to learn and master increasingly complex and precise movements. The G1's design features 23 degrees of freedom, providing impressive stability and coordination. It utilizes a three-dimensional LiDAR, a depth camera, and an array of microphones with noise cancellation to recognize voice commands. Overall, Chinese robots continue to advance at an incredible pace. NVIDIA has released a software brain for the humanoid robots of the future called Isaac GR00T N1. This is an open and customizable artificial intelligence model designed to assist in the development of robotic humanoids. During a presentation at the GTC 2025, the company showcased the humanoid robot Fourier GR1, which demonstrated a range of complex actions, made possible by the N1 model with post-training. Now such robots can learn complex tasks much faster, making it easier for companies to integrate them into their projects. According to NVIDIA, the slow-thinking system of GR00T N1 allows the robot to perceive and reason about its environment and instructions, then plan the correct actions. As for the fast-thinking system, it translates the planned steps into robotic actions, including multi-step object manipulation. The company states that the future of humanoid robots lies in adaptability and learning. The NVIDIA GR00T N1 model has delivered a major breakthrough in robotic reasoning and skills. The humanoid robot PM01 from the Chinese company Engine AI continues to improve. Recently, it showcased impressive dance skills, performing complex choreographic elements with high precision and synchronization. PM01 is equipped with 24 degrees of freedom, providing flexibility, smooth movements, and the ability to execute dynamic dance combinations. This robot is standing at 1 meter 38 centimeters tall and weighing 40 kilograms, and features a durable aluminum exoskeleton that enhances its maneuverability and stability during complex movements. Thanks to advanced control algorithms and precise motor functions, PM01 can synchronize its movements with music, adapt to rhythm, and even interact with a dance partner. It seems that the world of robotic dance now has a new competitor for the G1 robot from the Chinese company Unitree, which previously impressed audiences with its fluidity and coordination. The updated humanoid robot Kaleido 8 from the Japanese company Kawasaki Heavy Industries recently made a public appearance. This robot represents the 8th iteration in the Kaleido series, showcasing significant progress in its development. Standing at 178 centimeters tall and weighing 85 kilograms, Kaleido 8 is perfectly suited for working in human environments, with 32 degrees of freedom that enable it to perform a wide range of movements. Kaleido 8 can lift weights of up to 60 kilograms, significantly exceeding the capabilities of an untrained human. It is equipped with built-in batteries for autonomous operation and force sensors in its ankles, allowing the robot to walk upright without external assistance. Thanks to its cameras and sensors, the robot can also recognize objects. These improvements make Kaleido 8 a promising assistant in disaster-stricken areas, as well as in caregiving for elderly individuals and patients in need of assistance. In September 2016, a field test was conducted for an explosion-proof firefighting robot developed by the Australian company Waze Technology. This company specializes in creating unmanned vehicles for military and civilian applications. The primary goal of this robot's development is to ensure firefighter safety and enhance firefighting efficiency in hazardous conditions. The robot is designed to operate in environments where there is a risk of explosion, making it indispensable for extinguishing fires at facilities with flammable materials. The operator can control the robot from a safe distance, minimizing risks to human life. The robot is equipped with a tracked drive system, providing high mobility across various types of terrain and the ability to overcome obstacles. Its materials and construction allow it to withstand the high temperatures characteristic of fire zones. The robot can be used for extinguishing fires at petrochemical plants and other facilities with a high risk of explosion. The Chinese company Zhiwan Robotics has made a significant breakthrough by introducing the world's first universal foundational model complex for embodied intelligence called Genie Operator 1. This innovative development equips humanoid robots with a kind of brain, greatly expanding their functional capabilities. One of the key advantages of Go1 is its ability to learn by analyzing internet videos and demonstrations of human actions, enhancing its understanding of human behavior and improving interactions with people. The model has a high generalization capability, allowing robots to adapt to new tasks and environments with minimal data, or even without it, reducing the costs of further training. Additionally, Go1 supports transferability across different robot forms, enabling quick adaptation to various platforms and collective enhancement of intelligence. The model is also capable of continuous evolution, learning from the data gathered during task execution, making robots smarter with each use. The Australian company Creature Technology has set out to create the most realistic animatronic dinosaur models in the world. This company has become a leading manufacturer of animatronic creatures, including giant dinosaurs, bears, and gorillas for museums and theme parks around the globe. In their innovative approach, Creature Technology combines art and engineering craftsmanship. Each model begins with thorough research and design based on paleontological data. Then a team of engineers and artists works together to create the framework, mechanisms, and outer covering that mimics the skin and muscles of the dinosaur. The process of creating an animatronic dinosaur involves several stages. First, detailed drawings and 3D models are developed, then mechanical components are created to ensure realistic movements. After that, the external appearance of the dinosaur is formed with high detail and realistic coloring. The Chinese continue to amaze the world with their innovations in robotics industry. Recently, Shenzhen Yuejiang Technology released the world's first intelligent humanoid robot named Dobot Atom, capable of operating in cross-scenario and multi-block interactions to perform complex generalized work tasks. It weighs 62 kilograms and stands at 1 meter 53 centimeters tall. It features 41 degrees of freedom throughout its body and is equipped with a 7-degree bionic industrial-grade jointed arm with a repeatability accuracy of 0.05 millimeters. Additionally, Dobot Atom has dexterous coordinated control of both hands and highly realistic humanoid walking with straight knees. This robot can perform human-like actions such as toasting 2 slices of bread, pouring a glass of milk, or picking up a cherry, tasks that previously posed significant challenges for the precision of robotic hands and fingers. Engineers from Shenzhen Okaf Technology have equipped the Geo5 robotic dog with advanced technologies for effective security and surveillance. This robotic guardian is capable of performing security tasks in high-risk environments, ensuring the safety of facilities and territories. For movement, the robot utilizes 12 degrees of freedom in its limb joints, providing high maneuverability. It can overcome slopes of up to 45 degrees, carry loads of up to 120 kilograms, and reach speeds of up to 5 meters per second. For autonomous operation and interaction with an operator, the robot supports voice control and a command recognition system. Thanks to a powerful battery that provides autonomous operation for 2.5 to 4 hours, the Geo5 can conduct long-duration patrols. Additionally, the Geo5 can be equipped with gas sensors, thermal sensors, and other detection systems. Another brilliant development in the construction industry is the robotic paving machine Optimus T11, created by the German company Optimus. It allows for the rapid installation of large areas of paving stones, reducing project completion times and lowering labor costs. Thanks to modern technology, the machine ensures even and tightly packed tile placement, minimizing the need for additional adjustments. Its intuitive controls and ergonomic design make it accessible even for operators with minimal experience. The machine is equipped with a multi-6 gripper featuring a 360-degree hydraulic rotator, providing flexibility and maneuverability when laying tiles of various shapes and sizes. This allows it to adapt to different project requirements and ensures high-quality work. Here is an innovative wall finishing robot called DF062, developed by the Chinese company Dafeng AI. This advanced robot is designed to revolutionize the construction industry by automating the wall plastering process and significantly improving the efficiency and quality of finishing work. DF062 is equipped with an artificial intelligence system that allows it to independently scan wall surfaces, plan the optimal route, and perform plastering tasks without human intervention. Thanks to three-dimensional scanning and geolocation technologies, the robot ensures uniform and precise application of plaster. The robot can operate continuously, significantly reducing the time required for finishing work compared to traditional methods. Additionally, its use enhances safety on construction sites by minimizing risks associated with working at heights and exposure to harmful substances. The future of industrial manufacturing has already arrived, and Teletech Electronics is striving to take it to the next level by creating a factory where the primary work is carried out exclusively by industrial robotic arms. The company understands that speed, precision, and safety are crucial in modern production. Robotic manipulators capable of mimicking human movements ensure an uninterrupted workflow, eliminating the need for people to perform routine or hazardous tasks. These robots can handle operations requiring high precision, significant force, or prolonged work without fatigue. The automated production model that Teletech Electronics is aiming for not only enhances efficiency, but also reduces risks associated with human error. This makes the factories of the future more productive, environmentally friendly, and cost-effective. In the long run, such technologies could become the industry standard, opening new opportunities for innovation and development. Another Chinese humanoid robot named Quavo has recently mastered martial arts. Developed by Robotics, the robot stands 166 centimeters tall and weighs 55 kilograms. It is equipped with 40 degrees of freedom, providing high flexibility and precision in movement. For spatial orientation, Quavo uses a LiDAR, a binocular depth camera, and a 6-microphone array, allowing it to interact effectively with its environment. These sensors enable precise navigation, autonomous obstacle avoidance, and the ability to explain exhibits at fixed points. The robot is powered by 2 lithium batteries with a capacity of 6 ampere-hours each, providing up to 24 hours of standby operation. The integration of multimodal models, such as Huawei Pangu, allows users to train the robot with a single button press. Recently, Quavo demonstrated its martial arts skills by performing elements of Chinese Kung Fu. Another interesting development was introduced by engineers from Hendo, a hoverboard named Hendo Hoverboard. This device can hover above the surface, resembling the flying skateboard from the iconic film Back to the Future Part 2. Hendo Hoverboard uses magnetic levitation technology, and its operation is based on the creation of a magnetic field using 4 engines, which allows the board to lift to a height of approximately 2.5 centimeters above the surface. However, the hoverboard requires a special coating made of non-ferrous metals such as copper or aluminum, as levitation is only possible over conductive surfaces. Hendo Hoverboard can support the weight of an adult, lifting loads of up to 100 kilograms. However, its operating time is limited. The built-in battery lasts only 7 minutes of flight. The most significant event of this year in the defense industry has recently concluded, the International Defense Exhibition IDEX 2025. The exhibition took place in the final days of February in Abu Dhabi and became the largest event in the field of defense technologies in the Middle East, as well as one of the leading platforms for showcasing the latest advancements in weaponry and military equipment. 1,565 companies from 65 countries participated in the exhibition, setting a record in the history of IDEX. Among the participants were 731 new companies and 7 countries presenting their expositions for the first time. The previous exhibition attracted over 132,000 visitors from 65 countries, with a total value of contracts signed amounting to $6,350 million. IDEX 2025 covered a wide range of defense technologies and systems, including weaponry and military equipment for ground forces, air forces, naval forces, and air defense systems. This year, Russia played an active role in the exhibition. The Russian exposition occupied approximately 1,040 square meters and included 48 organizations and enterprises from the defense industry. Among the showcased innovations, the most notable were X-69 cruise missile, a multifunctional, low-observable, high-precision next-generation missile. X-58 anti-radar missile, demonstrated on the international stage for the first time, drawing the attention of specialists. SuperCam S-350 unmanned aerial vehicle, a Russian drone presented at the exhibition, showcasing advancements in unmanned technologies. T-90M ProRiv, an export version of the deeply modernized main battle tank, presented by Uralvagonzavod. According to developers, this is essentially a new tank with an advanced design. IDEX 2025 featured more than 3,300 cutting-edge defense technologies, including innovations in maritime security, cybersecurity, and many other areas. IDEX 2025 reaffirmed its status as a leading international platform for showcasing the latest defense technologies and establishing partnerships in the field of defense and security. The record number of participants and presented innovations reflects the growing interest in this event and its importance for the global defense industry. The company Reflex Robotics continues to improve its robotic humanoid. Recently, it was revealed that their latest model can learn new tasks in just 60 minutes, simply by observing employees' actions. One of the main advantages of this robot is its affordability. Its cost is 20 times lower compared to similar solutions on the market. Thanks to built-in machine learning algorithms, the robot can quickly adapt to new conditions and become fully autonomous in just 1 hour. Reflex is equipped with a mobile wheeled base and manipulators with sensors, allowing it to work efficiently in confined spaces and interact with objects at different heights. Currently, Reflex humanoid robots are undergoing testing in warehouses and logistics centers, demonstrating their effectiveness in performing various tasks. China continues to maintain its leadership in the development of flying cars, and the Xpeng land aircraft carrier by Xpeng Aero HT is no exception. This modular flying vehicle was unveiled at CES 2025 and has already received more than 3,000 pre-orders, with deliveries scheduled to begin in 2026. The land aircraft carrier consists of ground and aerial modules. The ground module, known as the mothership, is a 3-axle vehicle with 6 wheels, featuring a 6x6 all-wheel drive system and rear-wheel steering. It is designed to fit easily into standard parking spaces and underground garages. The aerial module is equipped with 6 rotors with dual ducts, foldable arms, and blades. Its carbon structure ensures both strength and lightness, while the panoramic cabin with a 270-degree view provides an expansive field of vision during flight. Users can choose between manual and autonomous flight modes. While the largest Chinese and American companies are developing flying transportation, independent engineers and enthusiasts from around the world are also joining the race for the skies. Thanks to accessible technologies, 3-dimensional printing, powerful batteries, and advanced software solutions, they are creating projects that sometimes rival the developments of technological giants. In garages, small workshops, and startup laboratories, unique flying machine concepts are emerging, ranging from single-passenger air taxis to personal drones for rapid transportation. Some of these designs stand out for their efficiency and innovation, introducing new engine configurations, lightweight composite materials, and advanced control systems. Unlike large corporations, enthusiasts are not bound by corporate constraints and often move faster, experimenting with radical ideas and bold solutions. Their work proves that the future of aerial transportation is not only being shaped in the laboratories of major companies, but also in the minds of talented engineers across the globe. The British have entered the race to develop construction robots by introducing the automatic brick-laying robot, created by engineers at Construction Automation. This innovative machine can independently lay bricks, apply mortar, and build walls with high precision, minimizing the need for manual labor. A BLR utilizes advanced computer vision systems and sensors to accurately position each brick. It operates based on digital architectural plans and is controlled via a tablet, providing full oversight of the construction process. Moreover, the robot automatically generates a progress report, making it not only an efficient, but also a convenient tool for builders. Recently, a BLR was deployed in the construction of a 3-room house in the village of Everingham, Yorkshire, where it managed to lay approximately 10,000 bricks in 2 weeks. Europe is entering the latest arms race in modern history and has begun creating its own army, which will include robotic forces. Steps in this direction are already well underway, as evidenced by recent military exercises conducted in Belgium. the project called Integrated Modular Unmanned Ground System has shown the world that European robots will soon become a formidable combat force that must be taken seriously. At the core of the IMUGS project are the Themis unmanned ground systems, developed by the Estonian company Milrem. Themis is a multifunctional platform designed to perform various battlefield tasks. It can be equipped with different modules including reconnaissance equipment, weapon systems, and medical evacuation tools. With high mobility and the ability to operate in challenging conditions, Themis serves as a versatile tool for supporting troops. The IMUGS project represents a significant step forward in integrating unmanned technologies into Europe's armed forces, demonstrating the potential of robotic systems in modern military operations. At the beginning of the year 2025, an event took place in one of Hong Kong's bustling shopping malls that captured the attention of both visitors and the global public. A group of robotic humanoids created by the Chinese company Unitree performed a synchronized dance, showcasing not only technical achievements, but also a new dimension of human-machine interaction. These robots are known as the G1 and H1 models, and had already gained recognition after their performance at the Chinese New Year Gala concert, where they executed a traditional Chinese dance. Following this event, their popularity surged, sparking discussions both in China and internationally. The robots' dancing abilities were made possible by advanced artificial intelligence algorithms and precise engineering, allowing them to move with remarkable smoothness and synchronization. The appearance of dancing robots in public spaces such as shopping malls not only demonstrates technological progress, but also opens up new possibilities for entertainment, education, and interaction with technology in everyday life. In the near future, robots will not only perform routine tasks, but also become full-fledged companions and assistants in hospitals, airports, and shopping centers. One such robot is Mirokai from the French company Enchanted Tools. Mirokai is not just a machine, but a character designed for interacting with people. Its humanoid design and friendly appearance help it seamlessly integrate into social spaces. This robot can move objects, navigate complex environments, and even adapt to changing conditions. Equipped with advanced artificial intelligence systems, Mirokai analyzes its surroundings and makes real-time decisions. It weighs 35 kilograms, can move at speeds of up to 2.9 kilometers per hour, and operates autonomously for up to 4 hours. To prevent collisions and falls, its design includes light-emitting diodes and a protective ring around its base. Here are unique, ultra-realistic animatronic dinosaurs created by Only Dinosaurs Production. This is the leading manufacturer of animatronic dinosaurs with more than 10 years of experience. The company's engineers specialize in creating realistic models for zoos, museums, theme parks, and other entertainment events. When designing these robotic creatures, the company's engineers use high-quality materials and components, allowing the models to withstand various weather conditions, including rain and snow. The animatronic dinosaurs can move their heads, tails, and limbs, and open their mouths to imitate roaring. The models are available in life-size, creating the impression of a real dinosaur's presence. The animatronic dinosaurs from Only Dinosaurs Production combine cutting-edge technology and artistry, enabling the creation of immersive and educational exhibits that captivate and amaze audiences of all ages. The robotics company Boston Dynamics once again showcased its unique two-wheeled robot named Handle. This robot is unique in that it can maintain balance in complex situations while being able to move smoothly on flat surfaces and perform intricate dynamic movements. The 2-meter-tall robot Handle is designed for carrying loads. It can reach a speed of 14.5 kilometers per hour, and its battery charge lasts for approximately 24 kilometers. The robot operates on electric drives and hydraulics, can jump to a height of 1.2 meters, and lifts loads weighing 45 kilograms. Thanks to the combination of legs with wheels, Handle can perform complex dynamic movements that are inaccessible to most modern robotic machines. For example, it can descend stairs or a slippery slope and jump over obstacles while in motion. At the same time, the robot actively uses its own body weight. It leans into turns, balances by shifting from the vertical axis, and extends its upper limbs to catch its equilibrium. Canadian company Canova Robotics has developed the robotic arm Jocko to provide people with limited upper limb mobility greater freedom and independence. This high-tech mechanical arm allows users to perform everyday tasks, from picking up objects to opening doors and interacting with their surroundings. Made from lightweight and durable carbon fiber, Jaco features 6 interconnected segments and a 3-fingered gripper, mimicking the functionality of a human hand. Its design with 6 degrees of freedom ensures smooth movements and high precision. The arm can be mounted on power wheelchairs and integrated with their battery, allowing users to control it via a joystick or other interfaces. The Jaco arm has a reach of 90 centimeters and can lift objects weighing up to 1.5 kilograms. It is capable of performing up to 16 different movements, making it highly versatile. You are looking at a unique industrial robotic manipulator named Torobo GTC, developed by the Japanese company Tokyo Robotics to automate warehouse operations, particularly in handling shoeboxes and other packaged goods. Torobo GTC is equipped with a robotic arm featuring 6 to 7 degrees of freedom, allowing it to precisely and carefully pick up, move, and stack boxes in various positions. It uses precision servo motors, ensuring smooth movements and accurate gripping. The built-in RGBD camera and LiDAR enable the robot to analyze scene depth and accurately determine the position of boxes, even when stacked in multiple layers. Artificial intelligence algorithms for shape recognition help the robot adapt to different types of packaging and non-standard object arrangements. Thanks to artificial intelligence, computer vision, and advanced mechanics, it significantly increases the speed and efficiency of logistics operations, particularly in e-commerce and retail sectors. Croatian engineers from the company Docking have introduced one of the most effective firefighting solutions, the multifunctional robot named MVF5. This powerful, remotely operated machine is designed to work in environments where human presence is too dangerous. It is intended for extinguishing large-scale fires at industrial sites, oil refineries, chemical plants, and high-risk areas such as explosive storage facilities. The MVF5 is equipped with 2 tanks, one for water with a capacity of 1,800 liters, and another for foam concentrate with a capacity of 600 liters. Its pump cannon can deliver firefighting agents at a distance of up to 55 meters. At the front of the machine, a hydraulic device combines a grab mechanism and a bulldozer blade, allowing it not only to clear paths, but also to move heavy objects weighing up to 10 tons. The robot is remotely controlled from a distance of up to 1,500 meters using a remote control unit. Here is the latest robot model named Lingxi X2, which the Chinese company Agibot presented recently. This unique robot differs from all previous models of the company. Lingxi X2 integrates 3 key intelligent systems: movement, interaction, and task execution, making it as mobile and flexible as a human. The robot is equipped with advanced technologies that allow it to move smoothly and accurately in various environments, maintaining balance and adapting to changing conditions. Thanks to artificial intelligence integration, Lingxi X2 can effectively interact with users, recognize voice commands and gestures, and adapt to different communication scenarios. The robot can perform a wide range of tasks, from simple manipulations to complex operations, expanding its application across various industries, including manufacturing, service, and education. The Greek company SAS Technology recently completed a 3-day live fire test of its unmanned combat aerial vehicle called Sarisa 2, demonstrating its readiness for combat deployment. Sarisa 2 is a modern unmanned aerial vehicle designed to carry out a variety of combat missions with high precision. One of the key features of Sarisa 2 is its ability to launch FZ-275 LGR laser-guided rockets, developed by Thales, Belgium. These rockets are designed to engage targets at distances ranging from 1.5 to 7 kilometers, with a circular probable deviation of less than 1 meter at a range of 6 kilometers. They can be effectively used against ground vehicles, air defense installations, radar systems, small boats and patrol craft, light bunkers and snipers. A humanoid robot named Atom recently showcased impressive dance skills, joining its mechanical counterparts in mastering the art of dance. Developed by the Chinese company Robotics, Atom is a highly biomimetic robot capable of performing smooth and natural movements. Standing at 167 centimeters tall and weighing approximately 60 to 62 kilograms, it is equipped with 25 to 41 degrees of freedom, providing high mobility and flexibility. Robotics has developed unique quasi-direct drives with force control, which are implemented in 25 points across Adam's body, granting it remarkable agility. The robot's biomimetic torso design allows it to precisely mimic human movements through a sophisticated system of artificial muscles and tendons working in synergy with modular actuators. Adam is capable of recognizing objects, planning movement trajectories, and interacting with items of various sizes and shapes. Here's the new series of firefighting robots called Thermite, developed by the American company How and How Technologies. These robots are designed to ensure firefighter safety and enhance the efficiency of firefighting operations in hazardous and hard-to-reach environments. Thermite is operated remotely by an operator from a safe distance, reducing the risk to firefighters' lives. Thanks to its technical capabilities, it can operate effectively in conditions dangerous for humans, providing high fire suppression efficiency. The primary purpose of these robots is extinguishing fires in industrial zones, petrochemical plants, and other facilities with a high risk of explosion. The price of such robots starts at $272,000. The Thermite series firefighting robots represent advanced solutions for safety and efficiency in fire suppression under complex and hazardous conditions. American engineer and inventor Hunter Kowal developed his own version of a flying hoverboard, which attracted public attention due to its impressive capabilities. After many years of research and development, he introduced a fully functional device capable of lifting a person into the air and ensuring stable flight. The hoverboard is essentially a powerful drone with 8 large downward-facing propellers. The body is made of carbon fiber, providing both strength and lightness. The device can support a payload of up to 227 kilograms, while its own weight is approximately 340 kilograms. The hoverboard can ascend to a height of up to 150 meters, making it suitable for various conditions. On a single charge, the device can fly for approximately 20 minutes. Hunter Kowal continues to work on extending its operational time. His development marks a significant step forward in the field of personal flight devices, showcasing the potential of such technology for the future. The idea of creating a flying hoverboard has been relevant for the past several decades. People eagerly awaited the arrival of this futuristic flying transport. Then, in March 2014, the company HUVR Tech released a viral video showcasing a working flying hoverboard, resembling the device from the movie Back to the Future Part 2. The video quickly gained popularity, sparking excitement and hope for the imminent arrival of a real hoverboard. However, it was later revealed that the video was staged. The company HUVR Tech did not exist, and the footage was created as part of a marketing campaign using special effects. This disappointed many fans who had been expecting a real device. However, 11 years have passed since then, and many companies mentioned in this video have introduced their versions of flying hoverboards. With the advancement of technology, the arrival of such devices is now closer than ever. In the American city of Detroit, one of the largest exhibitions of construction and industrial robots in the world called Automate took place, where engineers from around the world had the opportunity to showcase their most advanced developments in these industries. This exhibition is traditionally held in the United States and attracts professionals from various industrial sectors who strive to implement cutting-edge automation technologies. The exhibition featured leading global manufacturers of robotics and automated systems. Among the exhibits, there was an entire series of the latest industrial robotic machines, manipulators for assembly, packaging, and welding. Collaborative robots were also present, designed to work alongside humans at the same workstation. Additionally, the exhibition hosted technical conferences and seminars where trends in automation, the implementation of artificial intelligence, and innovations in manufacturing were discussed. Several tens of thousands of people attended this exhibition, gaining a unique opportunity to explore the latest achievements in industrial automation and establish valuable business connections. In front of you is the new humanoid robot from the Chinese company Robotics called N2, which can perform continuous backflips, jump and run. It is the first humanoid model in China with such a high level of dynamic mobility. The robot weighs 30 kilograms and has a height of 1 meter 20 centimeters. It is equipped with 18 degrees of freedom, ensuring flexibility and maneuverability, and can move at speeds of up to 3.5 meters per second. Powered by a high-performance NVIDIA Jetson processor with 8 gigabytes of video memory and a computing power of 40 tera operations per second, N2 is capable of precise movement, balancing and executing complex acrobatic elements. It is equipped with 2 depth cameras for 3-dimensional perception and an advanced motion control algorithm. N2 is already available for pre-order at a starting price of approximately $5,800. It also supports interfaces for secondary development, making it useful for scientific research, security, education, and other fields. In front of you is the Multi-Scope Rescue Hydra, a unique robotic firefighting system developed in collaboration with the Estonian company Milrem Robotics. The Multi-Scope Rescue Hydra is designed to support or replace firefighters in hazardous conditions where human presence may be risky. The robot is capable of delivering heavy fire hoses to hard-to-reach locations and entering structures that may be inaccessible to large vehicles or at risk of collapse. Additionally, it can be deployed from the air to contain the spread of forest or landscape fires. The robot has a payload capacity of up to 1,200 kilograms. It is equipped with the Hydra foam firefighting system, which can deliver between 2,000 and 20,000 liters of water or foam per minute. This robot reduces risks to firefighters' lives by allowing them to control the firefighting process remotely. It can respond quickly to fires, especially in areas that are difficult or dangerous for humans to access. The American company Overland AI, specializing in the development of off-road autonomous systems for the defense sector, has created the innovative Overdrive system. This artificial intelligence system enables remote operation of ground vehicles without human intervention. Through this technology, the company aims to enhance the efficiency of ground operations and ensure the safety of military personnel by providing advanced and reliable autonomy solutions for the armed forces of the United States and their partners. This reduces risks and acts as a force multiplier, integrating with existing command and control systems through an open API. The company strives to remove people from high-risk areas by equipping ground vehicles with unmatched off-road mobility and tactical maneuvering capabilities. At first glance, it may seem like just another robotic dinosaur, one of many found in amusement parks and museums. However, in reality, this is the result of the work of engineers from the Chinese company MCS Dino, who have taken the art of creating realistic costumes to a whole new level. DCTR 602 is a giant Tyrannosaurus Rex costume which is 7 meters in length, created for clients who demanded greater realism and impressive size. Unlike previous models, this T-Rex is not only larger, but also easier to control. For the actor inside the costume, lightweight 40-centimeter stilts were designed, weighing only 3 kilograms, allowing them to move freely even with such a massive structure. Every detail of the costume has been meticulously crafted. The texture of the skin with tiny folds, realistic head movements, powerful limbs, and sound effects simulating the breathing and growling of the predator. The Russian army continues to actively integrate robots into its combat units, aiming to improve the efficiency and safety of military operations. One of the latest developments by Russian engineers is the robotic system named Varan, designed to support assault operations and assist infantry units. Varan is a tracked platform equipped with the remotely controlled turret DUP-2. This turret is compatible with various models of Kalashnikov machine guns and allows for precise fire at distances ranging from 100 to 800 meters. The robot's control range reaches 15 kilometers. In addition to combat functions, Varan has a high payload capacity, capable of transporting loads weighing up to 1.5 tons. Additionally, various systems can be mounted on the platform, including electronic warfare complexes and reconnaissance modules. Engineers from the company Autonaton have developed Mimus, a giant industrial robot that exhibits curiosity about the world around it. Unlike traditional industrial robotic machines, Mimus is not programmed to perform predetermined movements. Instead, it freely explores its environment, responding to people and objects nearby. Mimus does not have eyes, but it uses sensors embedded in the ceiling to see everyone around it simultaneously. If the robot finds you interesting, it may approach and follow you. However, its attention is short-lived. If you remain still for too long, Mimus will lose interest and shift its focus to someone else. The developers aim to create a robot that does not simply perform programmed tasks, but instead demonstrates its own behavior based on interaction with its surroundings. The future of urban mobility has already arrived. Chinese automaker GAC has unveiled a revolutionary flying car called Gove. It is a hybrid between a ground vehicle and an aircraft with vertical takeoff and landing capabilities. The design of Gove allows the vehicle to be separated into two parts, a flight cabin and a chassis. In ground mode, Gove functions like a regular car, but when needed, the cabin can detach and take off into the air using 12 propellers mounted on 6 axes. The chassis remains on the ground and not only supports the cabin, but also serves as a mobile charging station. After the cabin detaches, the chassis automatically moves to the nearest charging station to replenish its energy. When the cabin returns, the communication system ensures precise automatic docking and safe landing. This enhances the efficiency of Gove and reduces the time required for the next flight. In addition to animatronic dinosaurs, Only Dinosaurs production also creates ultra-realistic costumes that allow the wearer to fully embody a prehistoric creature, while giving those around them a thrilling and terrifying experience with the incredibly lifelike appearance of the dinosaurs. Thanks to built-in mechanisms, the costumes accurately mimic the movements of real dinosaurs. They are designed with ergonomics in mind, ensuring comfort and safety for the wearer. These dinosaur costumes are widely used in theme parks, attractions, promotional events, and celebrations.